Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Sim app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you find your apps, click on it. You come to apps list and then you're looking for Sim app or just click on search. Then here add Sim app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, click on storage. Sorry, we'll go back. You click here on storage here, click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store here, you click on Play Store. So then here you search for Sim app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find it, update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.